Taoyuan International Airport has seen steady growth in passenger and cargo volume throughout 40 years in operation. Today, we are making great strides towards sustainability through cutting emissions, improving air quality and energy efficiency. Taoyuan International Airport is balancing passenger comfort and energy consumption by improving energy efficiency. Energy efficiency has been improved with power-saving electrical equipment. Examples include the replacement of the pump and inverter for the airport's central air conditioning system, resulting in a 38% energy savings. Incandescent lighting were replaced with LED lights, creating 71.6% energy savings. Hydraulic elevators were replaced with electric units, resulting in a 76% energy savings. A smart energy management system has further improved energy efficiencies at the airport. Examples include slowing or stopping escalators when not in use, resulting in 31% energy savings. The central air conditioning system partially shuts down at night when passenger traffic is low and outside temperatures are cool, bringing 31.2% energy savings. Despite annually increasing passenger traffic, average annual emissions per passenger have decreased by 28.5%. We will continue to implement environmental protection policies and strive for a Level 4 Airport Carbon Accreditation from ACA. Creating a green transportation hub at Taoyuan International Airport